Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron and coat easy method. Place the coat flat on the board and smooth seams with your hands before applying heat. Use a pressing cloth over delicate fabrics and steam gently to relax wrinkles. Start with sleeves, then shoulders, and finish the main body with long, careful strokes. Keep the iron moving to prevent shine and avoid direct high heat on embellishments. Gather a steam iron, pressing cloth, spray bottle, and a sturdy ironing board for the best results. Set the iron to the recommended temperature on the coat label and let it fully heat. Dampen the pressing cloth for extra protection and use steam bursts to ease deep creases. Work methodically from top to bottom so the coat dries evenly and retains its shape without shiny patches or scorch marks. Begin with sleeves laid flat and press in short bursts following the seam line. Move to the collar and shoulders, using the board edge to keep curves natural and steam to relax fibers. For the body, lift and redrape sections, pressing with smooth, continuous strokes to maintain fabric texture. Allow the coat to cool on the board before hanging to set the shape and prevent new wrinkles from forming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.